The VEVOR Kids Drum Set offers young drummers an opportunity to enjoy a professional sound quality thanks to its premium poplar wood construction and thickened pet drum heads. This 5-piece drum kit is perfect for beginners and includes a bass drum, snare drum, tom-toms, floor tom, crash cymbal, and hi-hat, allowing for a comprehensive learning experience. Designed for children aged 6 to 13, this drum set encourages musical development by enhancing hand-eye coordination and fostering a lifelong love for music. The adjustable throne ensures that kids can find a comfortable seating position as they grow, with a quick bolt lock system providing stable support during play. This all-inclusive beginner drum set is easy to assemble and includes 2 pairs of drumsticks, making it ready for both kids and adults to start drumming right away. With its sturdy design and thoughtful features, the VEVOR Kids Drum Set is an excellent gift for budding musicians looking to explore their rhythmic talents.